This is Bryant Layton. I'm from Romoland, California, out here with Binge Racing the night before the Ridgecrest 300. Can't say enough about all our sponsors to make this race possible. We got J&R, Florent, and also Saxon Yokes out of Las Vegas. You know, the team's been doing a really good this year so far. We won at Battle of Prim. We're going to continue on in our quest for a championship this year. Plan is tomorrow. Myself and Bill Davis are going to go off the start line. Bill's been doing a great job prepping the Jeep for us. He's going to be calling out all the corners for me and everything like that. Then the second half of the race, Kerry Jones and Anna Cody are going to get in and take it in, hopefully for a podium finish. Out here, Ridgecrest is so gnarly, just a finish is a win, but we're going to try to get on the podium for you guys.